Hello everyone. The pork industry plays a significant role globally, both as a vital food source and an economic powerhouse. Pork serves as a popular protein source across many cultures, being one of the most consumed types of meat in regions such as Asia, Europe, and South America. Pork's popularity extends beyond its availability in grocery stores. It's featured in a wide variety of cuisines, from the sizzling stir-fries in China to the rich sausages in Europe, and even delicate sweet desserts like bacon-wrapped chocolate in some parts of America. The process of turning pigs into pork products involves several steps, starting with the initial handling of the animals. Before the pigs are slaughtered, they are typically housed in pens, where they can settle and calm down for a period of time. This helps reduce stress, which ensures the pigs are in a more controlled state before undergoing the stunning process, which is an essential part of humane slaughter practices. The slaughterhouse operates as an industrial assembly line with specialized stations. This system ensures efficiency and helps minimize time between slaughter and the first stages of pork processing. While the size of the facility and the number of animals processed may vary from place to place, the sequence remains largely the same, from stunning to bleeding, and then to the various processing stages that follow. To ensure that the pigs are unconscious and do not experience pain, they are stunned using either electricity or CO2 gas. This is a critical first step before any further processing can take place. The stunning process is performed carefully by specialized equipment, ensuring that each pig is rendered unconscious in a quick and humane manner. Following this, the pigs are hung upside down to allow for proper blood flow as their arteries are cut to facilitate bleeding out. The purpose of stunning isn't just to prevent pain during slaughter, but also to ensure the process can continue swiftly and efficiently. The stunning process, when done correctly, helps maintain high standards of animal welfare and reduces stress during the slaughter. It's important to note that the operation of slaughterhouses can vary greatly depending on a country's regulations and the type of facility. Different regions may have different laws concerning animal welfare, food safety, and environmental standards, so the techniques and processes employed in slaughtering and processing pork can differ. For example, some countries may use more traditional, manual methods for stunning and processing, while others may rely heavily on automation and robotics to speed up the process. Despite these variations, the focus remains on ensuring efficiency, quality, and hygiene, key elements of the pork industry worldwide. All slaughterhouses operate under strict regulations that govern both food safety and worker safety. These regulations are in place to ensure that the meat produced is safe for consumption and that the workplace is secure for employees. Workers must wear protective clothing and equipment to maintain cleanliness and safety throughout the process. Compliance with these regulations is not just about meeting legal standards, but also about upholding the integrity of the entire pork production process, from slaughter to final packaging. Hygiene and sanitation protocols are vital to preventing contamination and ensuring the quality of pork products. Once the pig carcasses are fully processed, the meat is cut into various cuts, such as loins, ribs, and chops, During this step, any remaining bones are removed, and the meat is carefully trimmed to meet quality standards. This is where pork products start to take shape, as cuts for retail, sausages, or further processed products. Afterward, the pork products are packaged and labelled, ensuring that they meet all regulatory requirements. Packaging includes important information such as production dates, quality certifications, and traceability data that allows the consumer to know exactly where their meat came from. Animal welfare, sustainability, and environmental concerns are key factors that will continue to shape the future of the pork industry.